Alright guys, we finished up with our sanding, and we tried a boiled linseed oil finish and then tried to polish that, and it basically just wiped off the finish. So we're going to go back to the original idea, which was boiled linseed oil and CA glue. So let me go ahead and get these bushings off, and we'll put the mandrel on, and we'll get some CA glue compatible bushings. These bushings will stick to the CA glue and glue it inside of that brass tube, which isn't going to do anybody any good. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these out. Okay, so what we're going to do is put a couple drops of boiled linseed oil on this, and then followed up by 1 drop or so of the stick fast, which is the medium thickness CA glue, and we'll probably do anywhere from 4 to 8 coats, depending on what looks best. Not a real cut and dry recipe on this at this point, for me at least. Some people have their tried and true. I haven't quite found that. Get this off before we get too far. Okay, slow speed, here we go. Alright, that's our oil, and here we're just going to do a little drop of this medium CA glue. That's actually a little too much, but we're okay with it. Alright, get that all wiped across. Get a bowl to trash in. Okay, and do another round of this. Couple drops here. Make sure we get edge to edge with it. And a little tiny drop. A little more on there than I wanted to. No real harm done, it's just excessive. Not helping. Okay, gonna let it sit and do its thing for a little bit. Another layer on here. Alright guys, that's it. So we got the finish applied. We'll go ahead and polish that off in the morning or afternoon whenever we get back to it.